Looking for a great 3D printer without spending too much? You're in the right place. We've listed the best 3D printers under $500 that offer great features for both beginners and experienced users. Whether you want high-quality prints, more printing space, or an easy setup, these printers give you great value for your money. Let's take a look at the top picks to help you start your 3D printing journey. Number 5 is the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro FDM 3D printer. For enthusiasts hunting for a budget-friendly 3D printer without sacrificing on features, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro delivers. At under $500, this printer defies its price tag. Its considerable 8.85 by 8.85 by 11-inch printing size is ideal for various projects, from miniatures to medium-sized sculptures. The standout feature is the 36-point auto mesh bed leveling, ensuring precise prints by compensating for any platform unevenness. Its dual-gear direct drive extruder promises smooth filament feeding, reducing common issues like nozzle clogging. Notably, the Neptune 3 Pro remains impressively quiet, with its silent stepper motors keeping the noise down to a mere whisper. The dual Z-axis mechanism enhances print stability, ensuring consistency. While suitable for most beginners, the Neptune 3 Pro might still require some tuning to hit its peak potential. And with that, we come to the end of our review. We hope this video helps you to choose the best 3D printer under $500. Number 4. It's the official Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer. If you're venturing into the world of 3D printing with a budget of $500, the official Creality Ender 3 Pro offers a solid combination of affordability and functionality. Constructed of sturdy aluminum and donning a sleek black design, this printer boasts a respectable print volume, given its footprint. The standout feature is the removable build surface plate, ensuring not only uniform heating, but also hassle-free model removal post-printing. Safety hasn't been compromised. The branded power supply promises protection from unpredictable power surges, capable of ramping up the hotbed temperature swiftly. The resume print function is a nod to user convenience, salvaging prints from unexpected disruptions. What makes the Ender 3 Pro particularly enticing for newbies is the semi-assembled kit. It isn't just about easing the setup process, it doubles as a practical educational tool, introducing users to the mechanics and electronics of 3D printers. In terms of design enhancements, the Y-axis reinforced frame enhances platform stability, and the upgraded extruder design aims to alleviate common issues like nozzle clogs. This printer's open-source nature underscores its adaptability and user-friendly appeal. Whether you're a novice exploring 3D printing or a pro seeking a reliable addition to your printer fleet. Number 3 is the Mingda Magician X2. In the competitive sub-$500 3D printer sector, the Mingda Magician X2 emerges with a medley of features well-suited for newcomers and hobbyists. Beginning with its intelligent automatic leveling, the 16-point measurement system promises to take the hassle out of what is traditionally a manual task. Add in its quick assembly, and this printer becomes an attractive option for those daunted by complex setups. Moreover, the inclusion of an uprated main board highlights Mingda's commitment to performance and future-proofing. The option to utilize both a glass plate and the upgradable PEI steel plates, combined with all-metal hot ends, offer flexibility for various projects. The organized cable design further refines the aesthetic and functional aspect. Unique features like the temperature LED indicator provide a visual cue for users, fostering safer operation. Although its design may be perceived as basic, the Magician X2 shines in functionality, making 3D printing accessible and efficient. Number 2, Eleo Mars 4 Max 3D printer. Navigating the world of under $500 3D printers can be tricky, but the Eleo Mars 4 Max offers impressive features that make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. Its 9.1-inch 6K mono LCD screen delivers highly detailed prints with a 34xy resolution, allowing you to print intricate models quickly, at speeds up to 70 mm per hour. The COD Plus refractive light source ensures uniform light emission, resulting in smooth, lifelike prints. Its spacious build volume gives users the freedom to create larger models or print in batches for higher productivity. Worried about overheating? The dual-fan cooling system helps prevent that, ensuring a longer lifespan for the printer. The Volan Tango software adds dynamic printing modes and compatibility with different slicing software, giving you more flexibility. Additionally, the built-in air purifier minimizes resin odors, making it more comfortable to use. If you're looking for a reliable 3D printer that combines excellent performance and user-friendly features without exceeding your budget, the Mars 4 Max is an excellent choice. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono X6K. The Anycubic Photon Mono X6K is a standout option that checks all the boxes for 3D printing enthusiasts. Its most notable feature is the 9.16K monoscreen, which delivers sharp and clear prints, offering a level of detail that's hard to find in this price range. The printer also has a larger printing volume, making it ideal for both small batches and larger, single models. For durability, the screen protector is a thoughtful addition, showing the brand's attention to detail. The laser-engraved platform helps reduce warping, a common issue with many budget printers. While it can be a bit noisy and the software may be frustrating at times, the value it offers for the price is exceptional. In a market full of options, this printer really stands out for those looking to get great results without breaking the bank.